Hello everyone. So those who are Apple users, they might have known this feature in the portrait mode. There are several options for different kind of lightings. So to achieve this, go to the camera and in the portrait mode, you will find different options for different lighting conditions and you can select any of it as per your taste. So how to get the same portrait effect for Samsung phones? So let me show you the trick. Okay, so go to the camera, select the portrait mode, and a very important tip to keep the effect strength 0 to get the sharp edges of the photo. Take the shot and go to the gallery, and at the bottom of the photo you'll see the change background effect option. Click that and you'll come across these options just like iPhone. So I want to keep my photo background black, so I'll select low key mono and keep the effect strength up to its full capacity. Apply the effect and now you can get the same portrait effect just like iPhone. So this is how you do it for Samsung phones. Thank you.